and what happened at the end is, I mean, it's just part of the game now. I mean, this is I understand from an opening batter's point of view. I know exactly what was going on, and everyone knows exactly what was going on. But an opening batter will understand completely what happened in the last 5 minutes.
Him like that before, and do you expect tomorrow morning when you come to bowl again, there'll be a bit more? You'll be any more fired up, or will England get a bit more chirp from around the bat as a result of what went on this evening?
Yeah, I mean, I have seen him fired up, but obviously, we wanted to bowl 2 overs. There's 6 minutes left. Obviously, 2 overs is a no-brainer that any team will bowl 2 overs with 6 minutes to go. But yeah, it's a bit of theatrics at the end, and yeah, we were all pumped up either way because we know how difficult it is for a batter to come into bat for 2 overs when you've been in the field all day, and we were hoping we could get a wicket there, and a wicket at the end of the day's play would have been perfect for us. And yeah, tomorrow will, I think, even without that, I think we would have been fired up anyways because that's where the game stands. We have 2 days from now on with both the teams probably back to zero after 3 days of hard-fought cricket. It all comes down to day 4 and day 5, so we would have been fired up anyway. So yeah, we will go out there and try and get 10 wickets as quickly as we can, and yeah, enjoy ourselves in the field.
Kill.
Yeah, I'm happy that I'm batting at the top of the order, and I've always enjoyed batting at the top of the order. Always batted there, even I'm in my junior cricket and all my early days. I've always batted at the top of the order, so that's something that feels quite good, and I'm happy being in that place, and yeah, so happy that I'm making use of the opportunity and getting runs for the team. Yeah, that's something that I've strived for all my career, is to be consistent and perform on a consistent basis and be one of the guys on the team that the team can look up to and really count on. So I'm happy that the performances are coming through in the last few years. My mindset or my hunger or my passion towards the game has always been there, but yeah, in the last few years, I think the performances are showing too.
KL, you and Rishabh are both wicketkeeper batters, but it seems like you have nothing else in common from your style to your demeanour. But
I'm taking offence to that.
Oh no, I don't. I mean, now I feel bad. You know what I mean, though.
Yeah.
It's you have such different styles and demeanours. Do you have things in common on or off the field, and that maybe we don't know about? And what are the conversations or the way you work your partnership together that you have out there?
Tough one. I think the most common thing is our love for cricket and love for batting and love for performing in difficult scenarios. We've had a lot of important partnerships in the last few years. And I enjoy batting with him. I thoroughly enjoy batting with him. It's when he's batting with me, I look at the way he bats, and I wish and I hope that I could do that. Some days I sit when there are no games and dream of playing shots like that and playing with that kind of a mindset and an attitude. But yeah, it's always just been a dream. But yeah, we do chat quite a lot about cricket and batting and the technical bit of batting as well. He was injured and in the NCA, and we were both injured, and we were at the NCA back in Bangalore, and we would see each other every day, and that's probably the first time I realized there's a lot of thought behind how he bats, and a lot of yeah, he's a deep thinker of the game, though it may not seem that way or suggest with the way he plays, but it's something that suits his game, and that's all. Obviously, for me, it's been great to understand how he thinks and get a little bit of a deeper insight into his mind. So yeah, that's probably it. And yeah, we both get along pretty well. We're great friends off the field as well. But yeah, common, yeah, very few things. Yeah.